definitely want to
com
do an app.
completely built by Windsurf.
Wow.
You know, and fetching all the content from your . Is
Wow.
When you don't have a script in the world,
Look, watch this. Let's make one change before you go. Let's, instead of it being there, did I activate the plugin over here? I sure did. Watch this. So right now we've got, let's see what content we got in here. We got some posts in here. We got these 2 posts in here. All right.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna make sure they got images. Let's make sure they got post featured images so that the images show. And while we do that, I'm gonna say thank you. Please change the WordPress site from the one you have to this one. So it's going to then go and change the React app from using the Digital Skills Workshop website to using this test person website that's only got these posts on here. While it's doing that, I'll go ahead. Okay, we got a picture right here, so it's going to show this post with this picture. And this post with this picture. So we got this picture. So now open up. It's updating that README. Let's see that. Yep, see that. Now it's gonna run it, make sure it compiles. So now we're gonna deploy it to Windsurf. Waiting for the app to build. It's already uploaded it. All right. So now it's still deploying. All right, deploy complete. So now we'll just come back here. And then this is the link. Just click it. Wait a minute. Did it go on a different one? It should have still came to this one. Yeah.
Live demo.
Okay. And for this model, I'm using the SWE-1, which is the new model that Windsurf just dropped. SWE stands for Software Engineer. See, I found the issue. The WordPress API URL is hard coded in the wp-api.js file. Let's update it to the environment variable we set. And so this model that I'm running right now is free right now. I started it off with Sonnet 3.7 thinking, but then like I'll switch to 4.1 or SWE, you know, to like make iterations because, you know, like it's able to, it don't
Different
need.
models are more effective for different things.
Well, the thinking, I try to use the thinking model to just do like stuff that requires like advanced thinking. So like when I start the project, I figured that would need some advanced thinking, or like if there's a problem that the other model has like run into, then I'll switch to advanced thinking.
Okay.
So let's verify that our references to the old domain have been updated. Great, all hard-coded references. So now it's going to run the command. It's going to build it. Just make sure that the build succeeds. The local build was successful. Now let's deploy. So now it's building the app remotely. But yeah, if you start using this to build a React app, you will need to install node.js.
Which I do have on this computer already, so I'm cool there.
Okay. Yeah, I think I did hear you say that. All right, so it's still building. But let's go check this now. So we'll just go ahead and click this. I'll just close these apps out. Let's close all these out. All right, here we go. See, here we go. There go the latest post. You see them?
Yeah.
These are the two. And see, there's that one right there. So that's these. Those are the only two posts that's in this site.
Test one or whatever that test site.
Yeah. Yep. It's only using the test site. So just kind of showing how we're pulling from a remote website and loading it into this React app. And then, by doing that, you're able to like build. I mean, I know this isn't impressive. It doesn't look impressive right now because the layout is funky. It's like really like, but that's because.
But the fact that it can be done.
Right. Yeah. Because you iterate, like you can literally take a screenshot of a layout that you want, give that to Windsurf, and Windsurf will build that layout for you.
Wow. That's crazy.